Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we are going to be unboxing our summer mystery box from JUVIA'S Place, okay? Now, I'm excited about it. I love JUVIA'S Place. I get this box every time they offer it, okay? So we're gonna jump in and see what's in here. For those of you who are not familiar with it, the box is $18 with a guaranteed value of at least $45, okay? I will list the price. And in addition to that, if it happens to be on sale right now, when this video goes up, I will list the sale price as well. Okay, so let's just jump in. I've been excited about everything that I've gotten down through the month. So I'm excited to see what's going to be in here now. So the first item that I have, I actually have one of these. I carry it with me all the time. It is in my makeup bag, and this is the Nubian Glow lip balm, and this is in guava. Now, let me just tell you about this one. It has a 12-month shelf life, and I don't know if I want to open this one yet. I'll show you what mine actually looks like. Okay, so what I did, like I said, I did not take it out of there, but I took out the one that's in my purse. I'm looking at this and it's getting close to the bottom, so it's almost time for a new one anyway. Now, I absolutely love this. It's not sticky, it smells amazing, and it keeps my lips moisturized all day long. They feel it and they look like it, okay? It's just a wonderful item to have. So I would definitely encourage you to try it out for yourself. This is not the only flavor that they have, but this just happens to be the one that was included, okay? So that is the first item. I'm putting it back in my bag so I don't walk away and go without it. So the second item that I have, okay, I'm excited about this because I do not have any of JUVIA'S cleansing products, okay? So what I did receive is the JUVIA'S Let's Melt It Off cleansing balm, okay? And it says this is a makeup melt, and it nourishes, and it has sea buckthorn, pineapple, and mango seed butter. We actually have a 1.3 fluid ounce size. This is cruelty free, it is vegan, it is made with recycled products, and it's good for the planet. How about that? And it says it is a clean item. Now, it does have a 12-month shelf life, okay? So let me just show you what the inside packaging looks like. I'm not going to open it just yet because it does have a 12-month shelf life, and I do have a balm that I am currently using, okay? So this is what the inside packaging looks like, okay? This cleansing balm effortlessly melts away stubborn makeup without stripping your natural oils and leaves the skin feeling smooth to the touch, okay? Gently massage in circular motions, rinse away with lukewarm water, and pat dry, okay? Those are the instructions that it gives us. All right, so, well, if I'm not mistaken, it would probably be like her other product. So it should have, let me just see. I'm gonna open it because I'm hoping that, yes, it does have the sealed cap, but I can still smell it right through, and it does come with a mini spatula. so that you can pull it out without contaminating the rest of the product. Okay, so that is the second item. Okay, trust me when I tell you we have far exceeded what we paid for this box, and I'll tell you about that in the end. Now, the third item that I had, they almost always, well, since I've been getting it, I've always gotten a palette, and this month is no exception. Oh, I'm excited. This is one of the few palettes that I do not have, because when I actually purchased this, it went to my daughter. Okay, so I have the Magic Mini by JUVIA'S, and this one has a 24-month shelf life, and it says the Magic palette was inspired by the moon and sun goddesses of the wilds. A beautiful fusion of cool and warm tones vibrantly infused with 16 ultra shades. Perfect for day to nighttime looks, okay? Nice. Cruelty-free product, designed and formulated in the US, and it is a pressed pigment palette, and it is a 0.84 ounce size, okay? So I know you really want to see what the palette itself looks like. So the inside packaging is just like the outside, okay? But let's take a look at these shades. Look at that. How about that, y'all? Okay? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, and I have to tell you, even though I have probably maybe 15 or 20 of JUVIA'S Place palettes, not one of them has had the same shades. Not one. So, actually, I have more than that. Okay, let me not say too much. I don't want to get myself in trouble. Okay, so do we want to swatch a couple? Why not? Let's do that one. A nice matte. And here we go. All right, so these are the three that I swatched, and then we're going to go ahead and... I didn't expect anything else, y'all. You already know. Look at this one on the bottom. It's iridescent. Okay? How you like that? Okay, I'm here for it. I am so here for it. If I wasn't using that other makeup melt, I would use JUVIA'S right now to take this off of my fingers. But nonetheless, absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not finished with my mystery box yet, but that is item number 3. Oh my goodness. So I have one of the newest additions to the JUVIA'S Place family. And what I have is the Day and Night Glam, and this is the Nubian Lash medium volume with Egyptian flair. How about that? Those are gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, those of you who are a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, you already know I don't wear lashes. So I think I might have to put these away for a giveaway. These are beautiful though. They are absolutely beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. So it does, I love this peekaboo on the top so you can actually see what the lashes look like through it. Okay, so these are the items that came in our summer mystery box, okay? I will post for you the price of each of these products, the regular price, and if they are on sale, I will post the sale price as well. Now, I want to tell you about these wonderful 4 products that I have here. The mystery box was $18, all right? And as I stated, it guarantees you a value of at least $45. However, I'm going to put down here, or I'm going to put on this page exactly what the value for this summer mystery box came out to be. Now, I want to tell you, I had a coupon that I always use, and by the time I finish, even with taxes and shipping and handling, I am barely paying the $18. So I want to encourage you to always use a coupon code. Okay, always use it so that you can really get some money off and get an even greater value. All right, so if you get the mystery box, leave me a message down below. Let me know what you think of the mystery boxes that we've been receiving. You like them, you don't like them, you like the value, you don't like it. I can't imagine that you don't, but I'm just asking, to each his own. So just let me know down below, okay? Now, hopefully I've let you know about everything. I don't think I've left anything out. So just let me say, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the summer JUVIA'S Place mystery box. Okay, these are the items that were enclosed for this summer value. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,